Hi, I'm Hatim Al-Hajiri. I would like to talk with you about learning and online technology. The revolution in online technology is impacting every aspect of our lives. Education is not an exception. To a certain extent, educational institutions are striving to cope with these advances in technology by applying the relevant tools to their educational programs and learning activities. Yet, there is still a long way to go. Many universities and educational institutions have started embedding learning management systems into their learning processes and gradually replacing their conventional methods like on-campus and face-to-face classroom activities with online platforms. There are many benefits for applying these closed learning systems to the educational process. We will list 6 of these benefits. Number 1, flexibility. Instructors and tutors can provide the learning materials in many formats, and they can do it for once. Students can repetitively access these learning materials whenever they find appropriate and from anywhere. The second benefit is facilitated collaboration between instructors and students, as well as among students. The third benefit is the efficient management of students' database. This includes evaluation, assignments, and progress of the learning process. The fourth benefit is the controlled environment. Since the learning management systems are controlled, access is restricted only to instructors and enrolled students. The fifth benefit is security. Since these systems are controlled, students are being protected from being bullied by the public internet users. Also, access of the students is limited and controlled, so they are not exposed to inappropriate materials. The sixth benefit is the availability of technology support. In recent years, social media has grown rapidly and in many forms, including social networking, blogs, and multimedia sharing. Use of these platforms has developed widely and has extended to many areas, including education and learning. Introduction of open social media tools to the learning process has made a revolution to the learning and education industry. There are many benefits of using these online social media platforms in the learning process. These benefits include improved communication, ease of access to information, the involvement of large population in the learning process, high flexibility, cost efficiency, and students are already familiar with the use of social media. But there are still some risks and limitations associated with the use of open social media in the learning process. The most important limitation is the threat to privacy. But to some extent, this can be monitored by changing the privacy settings of the tools used. Another important limitation is the risk of access to inappropriate materials. Also, the use of social media in the learning process results in poor management of students' evaluation and control of assignments. The final limitation we will discuss here is the unavailability of technological support. Many institutions have started applying the concept of blended learning, where both closed LMS and open social media is combined with conventional on-campus face-to-face education. The best combination of these tools is contingent on the learning and educational needs, and it differs from one institution to another. In conclusion, given both the benefits and risks associated with applying all these tools, whether online, closed or open systems, or conventional face-to-face on-campus educational methods, or a combination of all these methods, educational institutions and instructors need to realize that the existence of social media as a learning tool is a fact that they have to accept and cope with. Students are already using social media anyway, and it constitutes a significant part of their lives. More research is needed to find ways to achieve the best results from using social media and online learning systems as educational tools. This is Hatem Al-Hajiri. Thank you very much.